Well, good morning. It's great to see you and welcome back to the shop, where today hopefully we are going to finish our third and final installment of our basement workshop decluttering project. Now I'll put a link in the description to the other two episodes, but if you'll remember in the first one, we didn't even have any proper lighting in here. We first fixed that, and then we got to work on this workbench and all of the stuff that was underneath it, and that was pretty much the first episode. Then we moved back here and there was just a pile of stuff here. And we got rid of a bunch of it and we organized the rest of it, went back here and did this, and all that's really left right now is this shelf here. So we're going to spend a little time cleaning that up. I have a feeling we're going to be throwing a few things out. This seems to be a shelf that just kind of attracted stuff. I'd come in here and just put it on a shelf and just put it on the shelf and just put it on the shelf, and it used to be organized, but I'm not real sure what we really have here. So we'll take a look at it, we'll organize it, and that shouldn't take too long. But I think you're going to want to stick through that, or if you want to fast forward, we're going to do something with this floor here. I've got some stuff out in the garage that we're going to put down here and see if it makes a difference. But I think it'll make things look a little nicer in here, kind of jazz things up a little bit in here, and it'd be a good use for that stuff. So stick around, let's get to it. Mostly what this is just a amalgamation of unrelated stuff. You can see I've got some old rope here. I think we're just going to throw that out. If I need rope, I can always go buy some more. I've got an old lampshade here to a lamp that I don't think I've got anymore. That's going out. A faucet that I bought at some point that I thought I might need, but obviously it's never been used. Some light bulbs, plastic spoons for some reason. I've got a whole box of plastic spoons. This thing again, this is probably going to go out to the trash. It's just a toy that we got for the kids to use under adult supervision only. And then what do we have here? Some lighter fluid, some Christmas lights. We got some fabric upholstery cleaner, some Brasso for polishing metal, car wax. This is an old router table for a router that I still have. There's just really no good place to put that. I'll probably end up putting that back there. Got an old trouble light here, but it's been a minute since we've used that. A couple of C batteries later, and that works just fine. Let's see, we've got a coffee maker. We've kind of mentioned that before. We're going to keep that around as a backup to the main coffee maker. It's just a basic coffee maker. But we seem to go through coffee makers a lot. We've probably been through a dozen in the last 30 years, and every once in a while it gives up the ghost. It's nice to have just a basic one that works. Nobody likes to be without coffee in the morning, at least I don't. And we've got a spare carafe up here. I probably won't keep that. We'll just throw that out. Got a little coffee grinder here. I think that's more of a decoration than anything, but we'll probably keep it. A steam cleaner here. We use mostly, I think, to try to get some wallpaper off a wall, but it's nice to have, so we'll keep that around. Some more rope, small little extension cords. You can always use those. It seems like when you need them, you never have them. This is to a sander that I don't have anymore, so that goes out. Got a whole box of keys here to stuff that I'm sure I don't need. Obviously, I didn't even know I had these, so it's nothing I really need. Those are going in the trash. So most of this stuff is some old shells for skeet shooting, which I don't do anymore. We'll keep that. We'll just organize it so that we know where it is. And, if I find somebody to give it away to, I'll do that. But in the meantime, we're just going to organize this, and then we're going to start cleaning these shelves off and putting everything back. So that's the plan. Let's get going with that. This stuff can go back there with the paint. Stuff on the end here. got no real place to put that. It's just gonna have to go right there. Put it back up there, I guess. And then, we got that light there. One last thing I think I'm going to get rid of as part of this decluttering process is this dehumidifier. We had this down in the basement, and it stopped working probably about a year or so after we got it. It's probably been down here for the last 10 or 12 years. Got this old humidifier that keeps going strong. I thought I was going to replace that. That one's still working. So I'm going to take it up in the garage, workshop, take a look at it, see if I can't get it working again. Maybe there's just a switch or something that's bad on this thing, but if I can't get it working, and I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but if I can't get it working, it's going to go out on the curb as well, just to get it out of here. There's no sense in keeping it down here and having it take up more room. So out of here it goes. Okay, so that looks a lot better. And that pretty much concludes the project of decluttering and organizing the entire shop. We started with this, as I said, got all that cleaned out, moved around to here, got all of this stuff organized, a bunch of stuff thrown out. This stuff was just piled up here, and then we moved back here, and finally here. And let's not forget, we fixed these lights. So we've made a lot of progress in the last couple of days. And the last thing I want to do is take some of these rubber mats that I picked up on one of my Tuesday Trash Day treasure finds, and put a link in the description to that. I put some of these up in my workshop up in the garage. They seem to help a lot, giving it a clean look, and also they're just easier to clean. And I'm going to put them down here. I don't know how far they'll go. I don't know how much it'll cover, how much we've got left, but I'm going to start putting them down, and we'll see how far we can get. Okay, well, looks like that's going to do it. That is the last piece that we've got. We used all of the pieces up. We were able to cover all of this. Over here to this. Took care of this corner here. Didn't quite finish up there, but that's okay. I think it looks all right. It certainly is an improvement over, a bunch of clutter on the floor. Let me know what you think. I basically put this down because I had it. I don't know that I would go to the expense of buying these mats if I didn't have them. I'd probably just put a coat of paint down on the floor. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this an improvement or not? So I think this is basically going to conclude our basement workshop decluttering project. I think it turned out well, and now I've got a space that I can use both for storage and for getting a few smaller projects done down here. It's cold outside. I've got a heater in the garage workshop, but even there it's cold, so this will come in handy now that I can use this space. All I really need now is a place to sit. Wait a minute, I think I have just the thing. There. That's a stool I found on one of my Tuesday Trash Day treasure finds. I think it's going to work out just fine down here. It's just the right height to be able to sit if I want to when I'm working on small projects down here. Okay, well, I think that's going to do it for this third segment of our basement workshop decluttering project. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. I think that's pretty true with most decluttering projects. As a closing, let's just go through a quick montage of where we came from and where we are now. So here we go, and we will see you in the next one. This is a little embarrassing for me, but here it is in all its wondrous glory. Oh hey, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. This is my basement workshop, and this is my basement workshop now. These lights don't work. These lights work great, and they've changed everything. All right, well, we may as well tackle the rest of this. Oh, we tackled it all right. Take care of this screen, organize some of these stains onto one shelf, and then deal with this stuff. So let's start with this. A lot more organized there. It's a lot better than it used to be. tomorrow we'll get started on this. All right, well, that looks better. Wow, what a difference, huh? Everything is cleaned up and organized. Thanks for watching.